Hello and welcome to PALM, the Programme for Advanced Learning of Manual Medicine. My name is Danny Sher and I'm an osteopath. And together with me today is Dr Mannie Sher, the Principal Consultant and Researcher of the Tavistock Institute of Human Relations in London, and he's the former Director of the Group Relations Programme. He's also a psychotherapist in private practice. Thank you for joining us today, Mannie.
Welcome.
The purpose of this interview is to review a workshop that we carried out in 2006-2007 entitled "What is the Patient Really Telling Me?" It was a workshop for postgraduate osteopaths to come and unpack some difficult cases. The workshops were a little different to that which had been done in the past, in that it wasn't specifically clinical problems that were trying to be unpacked, but more like the dynamics of the relationship between the patient-practitioner relationship. And with the help of the group, the individual osteopath that had the difficulties was able to understand at a deeper level what had caused the problems during the consultation.